Chanel Marie and Wandering Ella. So we're here at Monty's and we're gonna try their halo halo. So we're still B10 and it's still number C51. So good luck to us. Who wants to go home already?
Moonbase is really popular in the Pisa area, and they normally serve their halo halo around 7 p.m. By then, there will be around 100 people lining up for it. I can't blame why a lot of people love Moonbase. Their halo halo has that awesome combination of flavorful ice with toppings that would make any kid inside us enjoy. If you're craving for something cold and sweet, I would definitely recommend Moonbase Halo Halo. But I have to tell you that you have to come early because if the weather's good, you'll be lining up and you might stay more than an hour for your Halo Halo, just like